Welcome back, my students. It's time to discuss real numbers and their decimal expansion. Okay. Understand for every number, every real number, there is a decimal representation. I know 1 by 2. The decimal representation of 1 by 2 is 0.5. The decimal representation of 1 by 4 is 0.25. Decimal representation of 1 by 3 is 0.33333 and going on. Okay, always understand every number has a decimal expansion, and for every rational number, decimal expansion have only two choice: either terminating or non-terminating recurring. Either it will end somewhere, or some parts of this expansion repeat again and again. So for a decimal expansion of a rational number, two choices: either it will end somewhere, terminating, or something will repeat again and again. For example, look at 1 by 4. The decimal expansion is 0.25. It is ending somewhere. After 0.25, no digits are there. What about 1 by 3? That's also a rational number. Its decimal expansion 0.33333, etc. Look, this 3 is repeating again and again. It's never ending. Okay, so either terminating or repeating. Okay, yeah. Now I will give you some examples. First of all, terminating decimal expansion. If the process of division terminates, then the decimal expansion of a rational number is called terminating decimal expansion. Okay, I will give you some example. Express 21 by 25 in decimal form. I can do that. What is the decimal form of 21 by 25? That's the question. Strategy is long division. Usual long division 21 divided by 25. What is the difference? Okay, listen very carefully. In 21, how many 25s are there? Answer is 0. 0 25s are there in 25. 0 25s are there in 21. 0 into 25, the answer is 0. So the difference is 21. Now, what did I just did? Usual division. Okay, you know how to divide, right? 12, 120 divided by 120 divided by 7. In 12, how many sevens are there? 1. 1 into 7, 7. Subtract, I will get 5. Then bring down the next one, 50. 7 in 50, how many sevens are there? The answer is 7. 7 into 7, 49. Remainder 1. We learned it already. How to divide two numbers. Now, the same way I will divide these numbers 21 and 25. 21, how many 25s are there? 0, 0 into 25, 0. Difference is 21. Now I will bring down the next number, but I don't have any next number. And when it comes to decimal expansion, reminders are not taken. So what I will do, I will add an extra 0 which is completely new to this set. Whenever I'm giving an extra zero on this spot, give a decimal in the answer. Okay. Now what? Now what? In total, how many 25s are there? 25, 50, 75, 100. So 4 is 100. So 8 will be 200. 8 into 25, 200. Reminder 10. There is no other number, so I will give an extra zero. This is the procedure. In 100, okay, since I already given a decimal, I don't need any decimal again. When I'm giving the first extra zero, I will give a decimal in the quotient in the answer. Okay, in 100, how many 25s are there? The answer is 4. 4 into 25, 100. There is no reminder. So basically, 21 divided by 25, the decimal expansion is 0.84. Look, it is ending somewhere. After 4, no digits are there. Okay, I will give you one more example. Express 87 by 32 in decimal form. How can I do that? 87 divided by 32. In 87, how many 32s are there? Probably 2. 2 into 32, 64. Remainder 3, 23. Now, there is no number to bring down. I will bring down an extra 0 on this spot. I will give a decimal. In 230, how many 32s are there? I don't know, maybe 32 into 5. 32 into 10 is 320. So 32 into 5 will be half of 320, 160. So 32 into 6 will be 192. 32 into 7 will be 220 something. Okay, let's check 32 into 7. What is 32 into 7? 14, remainder 1, 21, 22. Yes, it's 224. So 7 it is. 7 into 32, 224. The difference is 6. I'm giving an extra 0 because no other numbers are there. In 60, how many 32s are there? The answer is 1. 1 into 32, 32. The remainder is 8. No, it's definitely not 8. It's 28. 28 plus 32 is 60. Now there is no number. I will give you an extra 0. 32 into which number is going to be? Okay, 32 into 8 probably. 32 into 8, 16. Remainder 1, 24, 25. We'll go one more. What is 32 into 9? 18. Remainder 1, 9, 27, 28. 288. So the answer in 280, how many 32s are there? The answer is 8. 18 into 32, the answer is 256. Now what's the difference in 10 minus 6? 4. 10 minus 6, 4. So 8, 1 I already gave. So 7 minus 5 it is 2. 24 it is. Now what? Now what? I'm giving an extra 0 in 240. How many 32s are there? The answer is 7. 7 into 32, the answer is, what is 7 into 32? 7 into 32, the answer is, here it is, 224. What's the difference? So from 4, 1 is giving, so 10 by 4, 10 minus 4, 6, 3 minus 2, 1. So I will give an extra 0. In 160, how many 32s are there? The answer is 5. 5 into 32, 160, remainder is 0. So what I'm trying to say is the decimal expansion of 87 divided by 32 is 2.71875. Yes, it is ending somewhere. So this is a terminating decimal expansion. For a rational number, there is two choices. Terminating decimal expansion or non-terminating but repeating decimal expansion. Okay, the second category we will learn in the next video. Thank you all.